Hello everybody, Don Conrad back here. Going to be talking about the Veretekk blog, or the VerePress blog, that you have in your gold system. Last time I showed you how to set this particular blog up, putting it up on the servers. Now we're going to concentrate on, you can change the look of this blog, the background, and the picture simply by, I'm going to go up here to VerePress. Remember that how you get here is okay. We're gonna come over here to hosting, and then after that you go to VereBlog or VerePress, excuse me. And then what you do is everything we created on the blog that we just created on part 1. You come over here to configuration. And you go, this is a new site or another site. So you go other site, and here's all the blogs that we created down here. So all you have to do is pick one, and it will go right to it. Then you come over here and you can change the skin. There's all kinds of different skins here. I really like the gold. So if you don't want to do any custom styling, you can pick one of these here. We'll pick this one and just update it just to show you what you get with it. Okay, we go update configuration. Okay, it's been updated, so let's go back to that blog. And now I'm going to refresh it. Pretty neat layout there. And this is your new look that you get. And you have, like I said, you come in here and you can sit here and go through them and change them all you want. Silver, gold, I like that too. Update it. Come up here. Now let's do a refresh. And there you go. Now, what you want to do, if you want to change the picture, so let's go, and what you do, you right click on it. After you right click on it, you want to view source. The source of the CSV setup here. So first of all, we come over here to see this main gold CSV. Click on it, and everything set up like this. Now, in order to do this, you have to copy all of everything here. Now, what I do for my editor, I use an Edit Plus, which is right here. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of this one. Save changes? No, don't need save changes. We can get out of there. Let's go up here to a new file. And we're going to make this a text file, okay? Come over here and we're going to paste this in here. And all of the blog is set up here with all of the colors, fonts, font weight, colors, and everything is in here like this. And you can see the images, the background image. So if we would go look at this background image, copy. Now let's bring up a browser. Let's bring up that one. Let's bring up this one. And that picture is actually that little thing right there. In order to find the pictures on your blog, so you know what you're looking at, you can go like this. See that header right there? We can actually go over here and view background image. So let's do that. Now that's that background image. You can come up here and look at it and see what it is. What you want to do is you want to highlight this main background image. And let's go to the edit plus again. And what you do is you do a search. Let me get off that. I want to do a search for that ping right there. Now let's do a search. Well, there it is right there. So we know that's we want to change the header. So let's change the header here. First of all, let me get out of that. And now I also, if we go here to hold on for a second. Okay, so let's go back to the VereBlogs. And let's others. I will go over here to other here, and I'm going to get my old Don Conrad PHP. Why? Because I have my own CSC right here in it, and this is how I'm going to create the one we're working on. But what I do is I open up another browser. I'll paste this in here, another tab. Let's look at it. Now, the main header, I actually uploaded a picture to my server at Don Conrad right here. Okay, so let's take that, and I will. There's all kinds of stuff you can change in here, from the colors of everything. Then we'll come over here and get the edit plus again. I don't know why that's open, so we'll get this edit plus. Oh, my son's in the way. Okay, so we come over here, and this is the one we want to change. So let's go over here and paste my picture that I saved on my server, and I named it main header 9 ping. And in the background images, you can change the width, the size, and everything through here. I'm just showing you the basics of how to do this. If you don't like a color, you can change the colors of everything. You can make a white background, change your font, whatever you want to do. And then after I got that, I'll just change the header right now. After I got that changed, I'm going to come up here and save it. I'm going to save all. I got a special file that I'm going to save it in. Go to desktop. And Veretekk. And I have a file in here called hold on here. Got a file in here called, okay, I named it Dawn CSC. So let's go in there. The reason it's not showing it is because I haven't put what I want to save it as. So let's put let's see, what was my blog's name? My blog. Okay, my blog name is this. Network Veretekk Marketer Newsletter. I want to take that 5 out of there. That don't need to be there. Take that out of there. That don't need to be there. There, Veretekk Marketer email, and I'm gonna save in this file. So let's save and text. Okay, I made a little mistake here. When you open or ask for a new one, make sure it's HTML, and then open it, and then paste it in here like this. And as you can see, we put the image in here that we want. Then go up here and push File and push Save. And you want to name it. I named it Work at Home. Excuse me. Let me get it here. I got a lot of stuff open. I named it Veretekk Marketer Newsletter. I'll open up properties here. And Newsletter CSS, excuse me. Now, what we want to do, we want to open up our when SCP. We'll log in here. Let me get my login. So I'm gonna log in here. Let it come up here, and then we go like this. We log in. Okay. Now, I put all my CSS files. I got a place for them. We want to go public HTML. This is where I keep them. I don't know where you're going to keep them on your server, but I keep them on my Conrad.net. See, I got a file, CSS files. Now, what I do is I desktop. Let me get to them here. Here it is. .csc. I come over here and I get the one we just created right here. And I'm gonna slide it over here. Okay, the reason why I keep them different, I mean, you could name them the same, but then they will conflict with each other. So you want to keep them separate. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this to my clipboard. Just copy this particular name here. That makes it easier. Now where I keep it, on this one, it's called, this is how it looks because it's on donconrad.net / the directory don.css, and then this one is a little bit is my other one from VereBlog. So now let's go and take this one. This is and put the ending on it of my new one that I put in. That's not the ending. I do not copy it right. No, I copied it instead of. Well, let's try this again. Let's come over here. Maybe I copied the wrong one. That's probably what I did. And copy to clipboard. Bring that back up. Now let's put it on the end here. It looks like this, and refresh it. You can tell it's different. Now we're going to take this whole URL here, the new CSS that we just made, and we're going to go here to Home, Configuration, Other Site, and the new site we just put up, Franchise. Okay, now we're going to put what we want to do here is, oops, sorry about that, wrong one. Okay, what it is on your site, let's go ahead and go back to the franchise. That's where I put mine, on the A domain, and then in the style here, what you do is you come down here and you put custom style. That opens up a link for your style sheet to go in. Put it there. Then let's go update it. And here's the one that we're on. I'm going to refresh it, and there's my picture. And that's how you do it. See, the skin's still the same color, but you can choose whatever color you want. Up here, these links up here, along with everything else on the side here, you come to those top links are right here. You can put different things in here. You can put your own videos in here. Yeah, you can do it this way. It asks for the ending of the YouTube video, the ending of it right here. But you can also embed it in here. I've done it before. It works. You can change all this information so the links look different on your page. So it's just not these links, but it's other links. And you know, they're whatever you want. Also, your keywords and description go right in here, and the site title go right in here. So you don't want to forget those for the search engines. And as I said before, if you're going to put usernames up here for your RSS feeds that come in from the Veretekk system, whatever RSS feeds you want, from your system, from somebody else's, or if you have several gold systems, you put their username right here with commas in them to separate them. The link box starts here. You can okay, the way you have to do it is you put your link in here, link to whatever, and put the URL for it. You put a comma, and then put a comma here, and make the other link with the other name, and put the URL here. And just keep on doing that so your link box will fill up. That's the way you do it. So, that's the way you reconfigure the VereBlog in your system. You can do anything you want. Different backgrounds, whatever. All configurable, and it don't take much to figure it out. You can even play with it and play with the CSS code. I recommend, like I said, Edit Plus. It does a great job for editing when you're editing code. And just play with this, upload it. If it's not what you like, do something else. But my name is Don Conrad. There's my contact information. If you want to know more information and you're inside Veretekk, you're a Veretekk member, you can find me, franchise.veretekk.com. Franchise is my username. Or you can sign up for a Veretekk system right here. I have a class on Friday afternoon, 4 p.m., 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, and you're more than welcome to join my training. Right now I am teaching on the aged domains you get with your Veretekk system, and you can set up as many VerePress blogs as you want to on that, which and all your feeds go into it. See, my feeds go into it from my franchise system. All your feeds go into it is just going to be SEO on steroids for you. So anyway, God bless. We'll talk to you later.